Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch TikTok video without caption. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Apparently, you cannot watch TikTok videos without caption within TikTok application, but there is an alternate method that you can try out. Simply go to your TikTok and find the video you want to watch without caption. As you can see that the captions are visible whenever I open a video, so in that case, what you can do is tap on the share button and simply download the video on your device. From the options, tap on save video, and once it does, tap it open. Now, as you can see that there is no captions in the video that has been saved. That is the only way you can watch video without caption on TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.